What's up, fellas? It's a little dark out right now, but that's all right. We've been working at something for a couple months now. Big project. Rolling to the shop right now. Fellas, we're proud owners of an ETM RTR. Alrighty, fellas, opening her up. Oh man. Hey, come on in here. Look at this thing.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone. Cross my heart and break my bones. Now they say they wanna ride for me. Now they say they wanna fight for me. Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one I don't. I sat back and watched. Had to change the plot. Nothing switching up. Yeah.
Alrighty, we're done unboxing. We're gonna throw the bars on. Alrighty, fellas, after the number plate front fender, moving on to the front tire. Let's see how she looks with it now. And just like that, she has new front tire on her. Alrighty, the battery. First ride on the ETM RTR, let's go! Oh. She good, is she good?